Hey guys, welcome to a new video and welcome if you are new. Hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my journey. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I do hope that you stay and enjoy more of my content by clicking the subscribe button to become a part of this family. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. As always, your continuous support is highly appreciated. Thank you so much for joining me on another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some laundry as well as cleaning my bedroom. So if you need some cleaning motivation, get ready and let's do this together. The weather these days has been a bit confusing. The one day it's bright and shiny and it's hot, and then the next it's super cold. And on this day it was raining, it was windy, and it was very cold, and there wasn't much light coming into the house. So if my video today seems a bit dark, please excuse me. It's the weather. Unfortunately, there's nothing much I can do about it. The lights were on, but still, it seems to be a bit dark. Also, please excuse my voice. I think also because of the weather, I have flu. I've had it for the past week, and my voice is not back yet. Sometimes it's a bit rough. It sounds like not rough, but okay, I forgot the correct word or term to use, but you guys get what I'm trying to say. So, but I hope you guys can still hear me. one thing I love about Pretoria is that it is full of jacaranda trees. If there's anything that really attracts me to Pretoria, it's all the jacaranda trees, and right now they are in full bloom. In my street, it's mainly, I would say, 96% jacarandas, and they are in full bloom. And I love them so much. They are so beautiful. And the tree that I just showed you guys is one of them. The one that is directly in front of my house, unfortunately, because of the strong winds that we had and the heavy rain, most of the flowers fell off. This one is still like really, really in full bloom because it was what I would say a late bloomer. Um, it took a long time to it took a long time for the flowers to bloom, so um they started blooming right after the heavy rain, and that is why the tree still has a lot of flowers on it, and I love them so much. That's all for today's video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it and it gave you the motivation that you need to clean your space as well. I really do hope that you enjoy your week, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.